Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration, and yep, looking at a log home today. A little bit newer than the last one that was 100 and some years old. But we've got some issues here, starting with the roof. The purlins that are sticking out past the edge of the roof are not doing well. Let's put it that way. They're going to get epoxied, boron rods in them, and then we are going to cover them with some either copper or some green aluminum like they have for the trim. And then going down here to we've got problems here. Both of these posts are toast. So we're going to replace both of those. And then over here, we got an issue where these guys are sitting right on the deck, and the bottoms of the corner posts are bad, and I'm sure that the bottom of that other one there is going to be bad. So we're going to treat them all the same. We're going to put blocks of treated brown wood underneath them, and also I believe we're going to replace the bottom rail on both sides, because this one here, the tenon is completely rotted off. So we're going to pull out this panel and replace the bottom rail over here. And then I think just to guard against further damage, we'll put boron rods down in the bottom of all the railings and the corner posts and these guys too, so they're protected from future decay problems. And probably have to do some deck boards too, because they're having a wedding over here I think next year, and they want to make sure everything is ship shape. Anyhow, thanks for watching folks. Have a great day.